hung up on the motor mount.
Go up a little bit. Go up a little bit higher. Okay, now try.
You tugged on something?
Or not.
Feeling really.
Wait a minute.
Something connected?
Oh, no. Okay. Okay, try again. Lift it up and then do it. Yeah, lift it up a little bit, maybe.
Okay.
That looks better. Oh, yeah. That's free. Okay, I'm pulling it, but it's not going anywhere.
Go slow.
So, looks like a hose or something. It's flexible.
It should.
It's loose from the transmission. It should come out. Wait a minute. Wait. Ah. Hitting on the oil filter.
If he goes up,
Motor
can you
mount's
clear
hitting
it?
on the oil filter.
Yep. Pull the filter off. And then you get oil everywhere.
Yeah.
Look, he decides to show up, huh? Hey! Decided to wake up?